What's up, ladies and gentlemen and ladies? Check it out. Slut Lizards in the house. We're just starting it off right, hitting it hard. Let's get it. 5 cent in the house. There we go. There we go.
Talking about.
Got some connectors in there.
Look at that. You're up.
Got some connectors. That's what happens when you connect it.
Lantern time.
We had an epic video today of Lightning Link high stakes. I was hitting bonus after bonus after bonus on 6 1/4.
That's awesome.
It was off the charts bonuses. Hope everybody's doing well and crushing it out there. Hit some big hand pay jackpots. We got to. We don't. I thought we did.
Oh, all the dudes went by.
Come on. Little heads.
Come on,
Little
white dragons.
Little white dragon heads.
All right, 18 on that. Oh, come on!
All right, we got the 2 ends. Now we just fill it in the middle.
2, 3. I went by.
We're gonna get on a run. I know it. It's gonna happen. It's got
So?
you.
All right. Oh. They went by. All those lanterns. Did you see them?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Come on, let's crush it. Put the energy out there for the lantern. That's happy. There we go.
There.
Yeah, all the happiness went by on 4 and 5. That was mega happiness right there. That went by.
Yeah, it was.
Mega happiness. Mega.
Kitties.
Ooh, the rooster there. They got 4 roosters. It's rare to hear the rooster come out. Oh, did you see how big those lanterns were? It's like a 7,500 lantern. Here we go.
Some.
Oh, come on now, lantern.
One. Hang tight here. Have a good feeling. Jay, watch it happen. Oh. We're doing it again. We're getting lucky. Oh, all right. I'm gonna back down from there. Those were just lucky spins that I tried. You saw that.
What happened now?
Well, I hit for the lucky spin and I got a pair.
Oh, yeah.
There's no way I'm doing that. No.
Forgot we had these vouchers for. Put it in the next one. Let's do them on the next one.
Okay. Come on.
Don't like the 100 upside down. It's like, give me that 100 right side up.
Yeah, serve me right.
Yeah. I like my 100s over easy. Come on. Man, what a teaser.
You saw him go by, right?
Yeah. Happy and prosperous, the Tease McTeaster.
There we go.
Teasy, teasy, teasy. Mix squeezy. Teasy, teasy, McSqueezy.
There we go.
Yeah!
Almost
nice. 4. Nice. This fat lip didn't make it all the way down.
Believe it or not, I'm feeling yellow and green.
Alright, go for it. Come on, yellow and green. I'll have some of the yeller. No, I don't want any of that yeller. I don't want any of that yeller.
Hey, we've had hits.
I know.
Like, hey.
I'd rather have 15,200 though.
We're gonna get a retrigger. Come on. Something. Oh no.
I don't want any of that yeller. That yeller was not cool.
It was what it was.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I'll get you a sticker here.
Back to back. All right, 27.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have about 25,000 subscribers, just short.
Oh, slot lizards.
Yeah.
You know what? Okay. Well,
Check us out.
Yeah, I'll check you guys out tonight.
Cool, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Oh!
One by a 4 and 5. One by a 4 and 5.
Got it.
Oh, you got it. I thought you were just saying you got it. You gotta go red and white. Or you going? You want to go the yeller, don't you?
I'll do
You
it.
want some of the yeller. 900's good. 900's good.
Good. I'm glad it is, because yo,
Retrigger?
no way.
One liner for 25 bucks.
Kitties.
Oh, almost made it through. 75 bucks. There we go. Yeah, kitties made it. $75 a line on the kitties.
Oh, keep going. Fill that screen.
Come on, full screen.
Retrigger.
Finish strong. Looked like it was gonna do it.
420.
Smoke them if you got them.
Yeah, right.
Let's go. Back to back. Back to back. Got 2 stacks of 3, our neighbor. The Octo's out. Let's go. Octo in the house. Giving it.
$17.
Oh man.
Why is it happening after though?
Oh! I don't know. It's just good luck. Very good luck.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go. You want the yeller. D's going for some more. He's coming back for round 2 of the yeller. Round 2 of the yeller.
Hold and spin.
Yeah, round 2 of the yeller is all right.
We're gonna get one lantern.
Yeah, let's get a minor lantern. Oh, don't say, dude. Oh, I thought it was gonna happen.
They're
I thought
showing.
it was gonna happen.
We're gonna get 2 all day.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Ka-chow. Ka-chow.
Save it.
One
Don't do
more.
it to us.
Just one more.
There we go.
Words, man. Speak to me. Let me read you. Minor. Come on, minor.
Save it.
Come on.
I like my bonus better.
At least it was something.
Yeah, that's true.
All right.
$100 is good. $100 is good.
Yeah. Back to back, everybody.
Back to back. Back to back.
Lanterns.
Yeah, I don't understand how they
All right, guys, we're we're gonna call it quits there. 600 in, 598.70 out. We lost $1.30. We had a good time. We had some of the yellow, some of the white. It was tasty. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.